Tired of project management feeling like herding cats? Let's ditch the chaos and dive into Basecamp, your new project management sanctuary. Today, we're giving you a crash course on getting started. First things first, head over to Basecamp.com and sign up for a free trial. This will give you ample time to explore the platform and see if it's the right fit for your team. Once you're in, let's create your first project. Click the plus button on the top left corner and name it. Be descriptive, like website redesign or new marketing campaign. Now, you're inside your project. See these sections? To-dos are for tasks. The message board is for discussions. Campfire is your team chat. The schedule keeps you on track. And docs and file stores, well, your documents and files. Let's add a to-do list. Click to-dos. Then add a to-do list. Name it something like design tasks and start adding your individual tasks. You can assign these tasks to specific team members and set due dates to keep everyone accountable. Need to discuss the project's direction? Head over to the message board and start a new discussion. Tag relevant team members so they get notified and can chime in. Keep all your important documents in one place by using docs and files. Just click the section and upload your PDFs, spreadsheets, and presentations. To get your team involved, click on the Team section at the bottom left and invite your colleagues by entering their email addresses. Once they accept, they'll have access to the project and all its resources. And that's it. You've covered the basics of setting up and using Basecamp. Remember, experiment with these features, explore other tools like the schedule, and soon you'll be managing projects like a pro.